Hey guys, I've finished my pen wrap, so it's time to put some stuff in it. I have literally just added this piece here, which I've split into two, and I've put the zip on here, sewed it onto this side. Missed a bit there apparently, I'll have to hand stitch that. It's got a hole in it, whoops. Stitched the zip onto this side, folded this down, folded it over, and the zip now lies flat, which is good. Added the little hanger. I decided to leave it on. I can always cut it off later if it gets annoying, but I'd rather have it than not. And I haven't finished the corners yet because I don't quite know what to do with them, but I took a lighter and you can see here there's a little fraying bit on the ribbon here. I deliberately left to show you. All you have to do is get a lighter and put the ribbon close to the flame and it will bubble up. You don't have to put it in the flame, don't burn it. Just close enough to make the ends shrivel in the heat and pull off any little blobby bits, and there you have it, no more fraying ends. So that'll do for now. I'll do the same to these. So again, nowhere near the flame, not actually in the flame, just close to the flame, and you'll see it melt. And the little hairy bits will disappear. They kind of fold up under themselves. Give a nice clean edge, and then you don't have fraying on your ribbons. Okay. Oh, one more. One more for luck, in case you missed it the first two times. There we go. Okay, so somebody wanted to see what I was putting in my case. I'm really only putting in a few things that I like to carry around with me all the time. So I'm putting my ruler, and I deliberately made these the right size so that I could put my ruler on one side and my washi tape card on the other. So it's not quite in the middle, it's a little bit wider on one side. I've got some clips, I'm going to pop these in. These are actually sewing clips, but they're really useful for pinning papers to your page. And I put this in here so that I could put my pens in and it would stop them sliding about. So anything with a handle, clip, that's the word, the clip, those all go in there. So I've got my fine liner, I've got my drawing pencil, I've got the obligatory ballpoint Bic pen, white gel pen, I've got this pen which is a little bit too tall for this pocket, so I will put that in this pocket over here, along with my water brush, which is also too tall for that pocket. And those two together create a nice little channel in which I can put my lammy so it sits nicely. This one can go in here. It's got a clip on it. I've probably got a couple of others with clips that might need to go in there later, but that will do for now. Next, my sprocket. I am still going to add a button up here to tie this onto so that this doesn't keep falling out, but this will do for now. The ribbon tie doesn't quite work because the sprocket is a little too tall, but it works for my painting pot. Okay, over to here, this pocket, I'm going to put my two washi tapes into. Same principle as the other one, two washi tapes, and then that creates a hole in the middle that I can put my eraser in. So I don't have to keep, it might seem pointless to have a pocket on the front when you've got a pocket behind as well, but it's easier to get my eraser out of here than it is to have to keep opening these, and I don't need to open my washi tape very often because I've got some there. Hey, what else have we got in the pouch? I will put my glue stick because it's a little bit oversized, and any small pencils. Any pencils that are shorter ones. And then I think my Copics will fit in there as well, actually. I need to swap those Copics out. You see, I've got a hole in this. I have to fix that. But that's a 2-second hand stitching job. I'll do that in a minute. I need to swap my Copics out, but I'll worry about that later. Now, this bit, what I actually need to do is put a piece of elastic across, because of what I've found is that these fall out all the time. So I'm going to put a piece of elastic across here and just tack it in a couple of places, probably do 5 so I can put 2 pencils in each one. But for now, what I've been doing is just putting on a hairband on it. So at least if they fall out, they all fall out together and they don't disappear. Again, those, I need to change the colours out because I'm using different colours this month. And I've got a regular brush there because I keep losing that one. So there's our pockets all set up. I do also have a very tiny pair of scissors that I normally have that will live in here, but I don't know where they are offhand. I've probably used them a few minutes ago and now they're gone. But that is my wrap. Ooh. Yeah, see, when these lie flat, that lies flat like that. And then this folds up better because it folds up flat like that. It's a bit less cumbersome, but I have to put the elastic on. So there you go. That's what I'm keeping in my pen wrap. And that, just to give you some context, this is my Moleskine sketchbook. You can see it's about the same size. So it's similar actually in size to my Delphonics pouch, but like I explained before, the reason I made this was so that I could have it open on the bed next to me instead of having to keep diving down into a pot that keeps falling over all the time. So this has a very specific purpose. It's for when I'm journaling in bed, not for general use, as it were. So I'm still using my Delphonics pouch, but this is for when I'm going to go and journal in bed. It's just easier to quickly throw in whatever I need into this and take it with me. So there you go, there's my pen wrap, all complete. If you also made one, don't forget to tag me at Romany on Instagram or Twitter, and I will see you again very soon. Bye.